let's go ahead and create some regions that may help us go a little bit faster. So I want to create some regions just on these flat areas. So let's check the filter. Currently, we'll leave that off for now, and we'll just do a flat area region. Okay, so I got two regions there that I can use. And then also we'll do, let's create another set, and then we'll do another flat area region at the top. Okay, so now we got these regions that we can work with. We don't have to go select in geometry. So let's go back up here. Okay, so you see that we got some extra stock there. Let's go ahead and do a profiling operation around that. Finish that up. Do some profiling. And let's see if we can get.
Yeah, Don, the stock is on the previous cut level, so you need to do a 3-axis machining on that cone surface.
Yeah, I'm going to get to that. Yeah, I'm just going to clean this up first. Okay, so that's the one I wanted. So I'm going to go ahead and use the 1/8 inch tool. Cut parameters, everything's fine. Cut levels at the bottom, everything's set to 0 for one level. We're just going to do a ramp entry because we don't have room to do lines and arcs. We're going to extract directly out. Do some filleting, arc fitting. Okay, let's slow this down. So we cleaned that up.